Good morning, welcome back to Black Stag Styling. In with us today we have a BMW Competition M4. I shall take you into the workshop, let you have a little look at it. We've got it in for fitting some carbon fibre accessories. I'll take you out and show you those as well.
That whistle was just a... Paul?
Yeah?
You never worked with that bloke, did you?
No. Right, so here are the carbon fibre accessories we're fitting. So we've got carbon fibre exhaust tips, which look very nice. A carbon fibre front splitter, a rear spoiler, rear diffuser, and then some front fins. All look very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
We shall crack on and get those all fitted.
One, two, three.
We've just finished fitting the accessories, the carbon fibre accessories, to the BMW M4 competition. Looking very nice. I shall take you out now, let you have a little look around. Obviously we have fitted the carbon fibre front lower splitter, the fins to the front, and also the rear spoiler, rear diffuser and rear exhaust tips. I shall take you out, let you have a little look around, see what you think.